In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your profile picture on TikTok. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open TikTok on your device and sign in into your account. Now on TikTok, go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the profile button at the bottom right of your screen. Now on your profile, go ahead and click on that edit profile button to be able to edit the appearance of your profile picture on your TikTok account. Click on that edit profile button to be able to edit or change your profile picture. Now click on the camera icon inside the circle of your profile picture to be able to change your profile picture on TikTok. So once you click on that, this will pop up on your screen, and as you can see in here, these are the options that you have, such as take a photo, select from gallery, or view photo. And since there is no option for you to remove your profile photo, the best thing that you can do first is to take a photo using your device back camera, and this can be your profile photo on TikTok. This can be an ideal option if you just don't want to show your photo or your face on TikTok. If you want to do that default profile picture on TikTok, what you can do is to go ahead and head over to google.com using your browser. Now in here, go ahead and search for default profile picture and click on the search button to start searching. Now head over to the images section. Now in here, go ahead and select that specific default profile picture that you want to use for your TikTok. Long press on that specific photo and click on that download image button to download this image to your device. After that, go ahead and head back to TikTok and head back to your profile by clicking on the profile button. Now on your profile, go ahead and click on that edit profile button, and in here, go ahead and click on that camera icon all over again and click on that select from gallery. Now go ahead and click on that default profile picture that you've downloaded. Click on that save button to save this as your TikTok profile picture, and once you hit on the save button, this will be reflected on your TikTok account. And that is how you can simply remove your photo as a profile picture on TikTok and keep the default profile picture on TikTok. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.